Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe and share. And for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, really, what are you waiting for? Please do that. If you want to learn how to tie gele on yourself or for your clients, just try and watch my previous videos. They are really going to help you. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this new latest trending gele, and it's not difficult at all. Just follow the simple steps I'll be showing you guys today. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 5 pleats before placing the gele on my head. If you're going to be tying this gele on someone, you can easily just make the pleats on their heads, but right now I'm tying for myself, so I really have to make the pleats with my hand first before placing the gele on my head. It gets easier that way. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele have to be equal. And then for this tutorial today, I'm just using an ashoke to tie this particular gele today. When tying your gele, you really want your pleats to be neatly done and well laid. That is why you really have to take your time in making your pleats. It's very important that you do that. I really love this gele so much because you can tie it for brides, you can tie it for party guests, you can tie it to church, you can tie it for any weddings and any occasion at all that you want to go for. I love this gele so much, and it's not difficult. In less than 5 minutes you should be done with this gele. So right now I'm done making my pleats. I'm just going to take the end part of that gele towards the back and pin it and pin it and pin it so that it doesn't unravel. So I'm just going to take the second hand of my gele and make pleats the same way I did with the first hand of my gele. This part of my gele is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to try to make my fan. The other hand of my gele are only made round infinity pleats, but with this particular hand right now I'm just going to try making my fan with it. So I'm not going to make my pleats towards the end of my gele because I want to make my fan. I'm just going to stop somewhere here so that I can start making my fan. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to make gele or on how to tie fan gele, you really need to do that so that this can easily be done, so that you can easily practice different styles of gele and how to make fan. So I'm just going in with my fan. If you're going to be tying this gele for yourself, you really need to be careful so that your gele does not unravel. So right now I'm going to remove the pin of the first hand of my gele that I pinned at the back. I'm just going to remove it so that, just wait and see. Okay guys, so I really did not perform magic there. I only removed the pin of the first hand of my gele from the back so that I can easily knot the both hands of my gele. And when you do that, you have to be careful so that your gele does not unravel. Especially if you're tying this gele for yourself, you really have to be careful so that everything does not just unravel and fall off. So right now I'm with the second hand of my gele, which was the hand I used to make my fan. I'm just going to make a bow or a rose in front of my head. There, you can easily make a bow though. Anything you want to do, you can just easily do it. But from what is on my thumbnail, I'm just going to try to make it look similar. It's not difficult at all. All you have to do is just to take this part of your gele, you just have to take it round the front of your head. It's basically the style of your gele and it really comes out beautiful and nice when you do this. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this gele tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up. Don't be shy to subscribe and share. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that. I really want you guys to learn and I really want you guys to know how to tie gele on yourself and on your clients. If this gele tutorial was helpful, I want to see you all in the comment section, and don't be shy to subscribe, share and thumbs me up. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.